not do enough in the last election. Now you need to do enough. For opposition of Saturday, we will vote for AAC. You are the first to know. Because we just finished the meeting now and I drove off. Go home. No excuse. I don't think we lost in element. No excuse. Oh. There will be security for everybody, for APC and for PDP. If you lose, too bad. If we win the governorship, we get commissioner. If you want to get commissioner, you know, let me tell you what you don't know. The moment you win this election on Saturday and the man is sworn in May, by June, cancel the election. And everybody will return. So you must all go out to ensure that we win. You do what? Those who won you last time, they don't have two heads. You know that? If you're threatened, call us. We'll come. If you're threatened, but go and make sure that they don't rig you out. Make sure that you win them. Thank you and God bless you.